Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, it's dark. I'm commuting from Stafford to Birmingham. I really do think I've got a problem. It's 32 miles and I'm already getting cold. It's only about 9 degrees this morning, but you know, I've got to be careful, I've got to be slow, I can't take it too much, I can't go too fast because I don't know obviously what the range is of this thing yet, but this is the ultimate bloody test, is 32 miles. I'm a bit worried. I'm shitting myself. The day started out fine. The idea was I get up at 2 o'clock, I get on the bike at around about 3:30, get to work for about 5 o'clock, charge it up for 3 hours and then come home. So I got up at 2 o'clock, got in the car, got on the motorway, got up to the Stafford junction and they've shut it. So I went all the way back up to Stoke, turned around to come back and they've shut the southbound as well. So I had to come all the way back down to Cannock and then drive across Cannock and all the way down this road here. So I wasn't very happy. Now obviously this is a 2.5 kilowatt hour battery, but I'm probably only going to be able to get around about 2 kilowatts out of it. So I'm running a lot of power at the minute and I don't know why. Maybe this is because it's a steep hill. 800 watts to get up here. This is on the borderline. If it's a 2.5 kilowatt hour battery, or we'll say it's 2 kilowatt hour. So if I'm running 1 kilowatt for 1 hour, that's 1 kilowatt hour. And if I'm doing 30 miles an hour, that's 26, sorry, that's, I can't think, 30 miles. This really is going to be an epic journey. But I really do want to get there. For the first time in my life, I actually want to get to work. Don't look it, but I'm doing 30. Well, 10 minutes into the journey, I'm freezing. Although I've got my nice warm biking jacket on, which isn't letting any, there's absolutely no air through whatsoever, so I'm nice and warm on my top. My knees are cold, my chin's cold, my fingers are bloody freezing, and my penis has disappeared. See, in nice warm places like California and Nevada, this would be quite pleasant because you'd be going around in a t-shirt. Well, in the UK, overnight it gets bloody cold. You know, 11 degrees, what's that, about minus 20 Fahrenheit. It's a 2.5 kilowatt, but I reckon I've got 2 kilowatt hours of usage. So that should give me plenty of reserve by the time I get there. For unfortunate circumstances and situations where I need to get out of shit. Well, this is a bit worrying because this is a downhill and I'm actually using 700 watts. What the hell's going on? I should be able to coast down here, I can't. I'm definitely not my happy, jovial, talky sort of self at the minute, because this is arse clenching every bloody moment of it. It's not the dark, I ain't bothered about the dark, I'm just bothered about the range. I'm about, a quarter of the way? Oh god, this is a really bad hill. Oh, and how many people are sitting there going, pedal, 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 pedal. Okay, no I can't, my GoPro mounts on the wrong, oh shit. Over the brow, down the other side. Right, I don't want to use any more than 1,000 watts. And you can probably hear vibration and ticking and everything else. That's off my bloody microphone cable. And there is no way I am stopping to adjust it or safeten it or tie it up or do anything. I'm on a mission. I am probably going to have to stop halfway there because my bollocks are going to be like bloody prunes. I'm going to be walking like John Wayne. Although he's dead, I hope I ain't going to be walking like that. No through route. Oh shit. Oh no. Don't, no, please don't. I'm a pedestrian today. Oh, happy talking, happy talk. Talk about things you like to do. Yeah, I'm going this way. Bollocks to it. Oh shit! It's absolutely completely closed. Oh. Ain't that bloody typical? Another one of the comments on my high speed run. I did upset a lot of people. One bloke said, if I have to pay to watch you go fast and to open it up, I'm not going to do it. In fact, I've just unsubscribed. What? Why? Oh, I'm really getting cold now. I don't suffer the cold very well. I prefer it hot. I used to prefer it cold so as I could put layers of coat on, but as I've got older, I prefer the warm now. So as I can take layers of clothes off rather than just bloody, oh God, can't speak. My lips are all numb. This is the infamous road that I did the speed run through, and here's the speed camera, and everyone said, did it go off? No, it didn't. Not to my knowledge anyway, but then again I was facing this way so I wouldn't have known. I didn't even think about the speed camera at the time. All I thought was how big my bollocks suddenly grew. Oh, they were massive. One of the main questions, the most questions that the comments get blocked on, and people say, don't you get in trouble with the police? Well, to be honest, as long as you ain't stupid, as long as you keep it sensible, the police aren't bothered. You know, they've got better things to do, and bloody good on them. I'm only having a bit of fun, and the police have got some bloody sense on them. They may know the laws, and they may know about me, and they may have heard about me and everything, but you know, let people be, let people have a bit of fun. I'm not hurting anybody, I'm not endangering any lives apart from my own. And no, I haven't put the GoPro on purely because you wouldn't be able to see a lot. It's pointless. I want to save it for the journey home. When I'm coming home, I'm going to put the GoPro on and I'm going to face it backwards. Change lights, change lights, change lights, change lights, change lights, change lights. Don't change lights. Thank you. Oh, this is Leemore, which is round about 2/3. I think we're about 2/3 of the way. I've got 75.2 volts. I've used 8. I've used 8 ampere hours. Is that right? And these are the lights that never change. They just don't change at all. They'll never change for me. So I'm going to go that way. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Put your lights on, dickhead. See, this place is like this. This is going to suck the battery because it's a bloody steep hill. Yeah, come on, baby. 1600 watts. My MOSFET temperature's at 15 degrees. So it's not even stressing. Put your lights on your cock. Not on your cock. What? Ow! Well, I've used 10 ampere hours. That's a third of the battery. I can't believe how economical this is if I don't go stupid. Because I've always been going stupid. But that's unreal. 10 ampere hours to get this far. Whereas I used to use 10 ampere hours. Actually, it was about 12. I can't remember now. I used to use about 12 ampere hours just getting to bloody work in the morning. Please stay on green. 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 Thank you. Oh, they've done the road. That corner used to be absolutely horrible for going round. It's near the number one break your back and you used to judder across the road. Oh. Fingers. My God, these bumps here used to shake me to pieces on my other bike. They were terrible. Ah, no more, no more. This is where the temperature drops down about bloody 10 degrees. It gets freezing round here. There you go. Oh my God. I don't know why, it's just here. Eee, shit. The temperature goes ridiculously low. Always mist in the fields. Oh, I know I've mentioned it before and I'll mention it again. This headlight, although you probably can't see it, but I've got a fantastic beam on it. The range is absolutely superb. It doesn't dazzle oncoming traffic. It's a fantastic piece of kit for about 5 or 6 quid. I'm going to leave a link in the description, as well most videos I do now because they are by far the best bike light I've seen. They run from 12 to 84, 96 volts, so 85 volts I think. But I've got mine on a 12 volt DC regulator. I think they're about 35 watt headlight. They are fantastic for 5 quid. I've got that expensive one I've got that I paid about 80 quid for, the proper motorbike headlight. It just blows the socks off it. Obviously it hasn't got a main beam, but you know, I don't need it. I wish I had it now though. Oh, this is a bad hill. Voltage sag down to 69 volts, running at 2 kilowatts. Got to be careful of the drain in the road, which they probably haven't fixed. There it is. That thing, if I hit it, I'll be off. Oh, no doubt about it, I'll be off. The smell of the bakery in the morning. Oh, fantastic. Oh, just the best smell ever. Bloody old cat. Anyway folks, I'm nearly at work now, so I'm going to end this one and go and charge things up and then knock and go back home. So I'll catch you later. And remember, life is definitely worth living. All you've got to do is get out there and enjoy whatever makes you happy and do it every single day. And bollocks to what anybody else thinks.